This low-growing perennial plant is Glaucoma hederacea, or ground ivy, and as you can see, it is quite the popular flower with early spring pollinators. A member of the Lamiaceae family, which includes mint, it is native to Europe and Asia. It is an invasive species in North America, where it is often considered a weed. Tolerating a variety of soil types and light conditions, it grows vigorously and spreads quickly. It possesses a distinct aroma when its leaves are crushed, which some people describe as minty or earthy. Ground ivy was historically used for medicinal purposes, treating coughs and colds, though some people may experience allergic reactions through skin contact. Ground ivy is just one of the many plants you'll experience when you get out there and see what you can see.